In the time before time, a ball of iron spun furiously in space, slowly gathering other cosmic particles in its tiny but growing gravitational field. It took many millennia, but that speck of metal eventually became the very core of our planet. 1 billion years later, the small blacksmithing shop that would one day become Sudenga Industries opened in George, Iowa, creating a kind of industrial commercial gravity of its own. But unlike the planet we currently call home, Sudenga took a mere century to grow into the ironclad business at the very heart of its hometown. Today, Sudenga's business model has changed from blacksmithing to commercial agricultural manufacturing. But like Mother Earth herself, the elements at its very core remain: dignity, integrity, and above all, a white-hot desire to build the industry's best feed trailers, drag conveyors, bin unloading system, bucket elevators, and portable augers that is stronger even than the iron at the very core of our planet. Sudenga Industries, born of the cosmos.
Forged in Georgia.